We have a series of books and charts that we offer. We call this our barn chart because this is absolutely not the time to try and remember where you left your book. If you got a horse in colic, you can get on it right away. The other side of this chart is our general wellness chart. You should be doing these points on your horse, and we use this light for acupressure points mostly. You should be doing this with your horse a couple times a week just for overall wellness. Keep the immune system strong, keep their performance up. So we like to put this out in the barn, have it easy reference, put this side out so you know where this side is when you need it in an emergency. Our equine guidebook is intended to help you understand how to use your acupressure points. So first we have an evaluation guide in there, and with our evaluation guide, we use what we call a working chart. This working chart comes with a little marking pen, and as you go through your horse and put pressure points and put pressure on these different points, you'll receive a reaction from them. Now, it's up to you to use your own scale. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, I don't care what you use, be consistent. Be consistent with your numbering, be consistent with the tool that you're using to put the pressure on the animal to measure their reaction. So you can go through and it'll be like nothing, oh, all of a sudden there's a reaction. So you put a 5 right on the chart. And you go through, you have it for both sides. You go home, you go in the house, you make yourself a little Excel spreadsheet and you say right and left, here's the date, these are the points that are triggered. You use your book to refer to those points, and that's going to help you identify what part of the horse is really reacting. Just because you touch them here doesn't mean it's not something back here. So you need to do that 3 to 5 times and look at some sort of a trend. Are you getting better? Is the same spot hot every time you go in? And then you can really start digging down deep to find out what's going on, but you can't manage something if you're not documenting it. So we give you the tools to do that. Also in our book, we have all of these different conditions that you can use the book for. You can use acupressure points to support your horse. In the back of the book are the meridians themselves on pictures of a live horse. So now you can see their anatomical structures. You can see, a lot of books will have it on a black and white drawing. Well, that doesn't help as much as when you can see actually the physical horse. So that is how our equine guidebook has been put together. Phenomenal book.